So in this video, I will show you how to install, delete, update, and just manage your minimalist library for blocks for Mac. So right now I don't have anything installed. As you can see, I only have the built-in templates. And also if we go to extension manager, you will see that I don't have any site templates, packs, or anything installed apart from a few custom bricks. So what we will do is install the minimalist library for blocks for Mac. When you download it from the website, this is the archive you will get, and it is 180 something megabytes. And if you unzip it, you will see that inside the folder, there are two files, one for iPad and one for Mac. And you will be surprised to know, but the iPad is actually more right now, much more, because iPad does not support the new backpack feature, which is available for Mac. So right now we need this Mac version. So let's unzip it. And inside this folder, we will have basically two things. The minimalist library, this all of the files is inside this one file. And I also provide the fonts. This is of course not mandatory. You can use whatever fonts you want, but if you want to have some default fonts like Inter, Meriwether, what I'm using for the default library, you can also install this. Of course, I will show you how to do that in a second. So first, to install the library, you can just go to Window, Extension Manager, and click on plus. Then go to the folder we just unzipped for Mac, select this file, and click Open. Alternatively, you can just take this file and open it in Blocks, and this way it will also install it to your computer. And as you can see, it is automatically installing all of the sections, and that's basically it. It's ready to use right now. As you can see, we now have one site template which is saying minimalist library, and we also have 471 blocks. These are the sections, and we have one pack which is the pack. This you can see minimalist library. There is a version number here and the number of extensions. So right now, if you click on new, you will see that now we have minimalist library. And I will show you in a separate video how to set up a project. Basically, you select it, you use this template, and you will see that inside the library now, inside the block bar now, you can go to this library selector and it will show you minimalist library here. If you don't select anything, it will actually show all of the sections, built-in sections and library sections together, which is also fine. But I also recommend to change this to minimalist library. In this way, it will only show the sections related to the library. So that's how to install the library. As you can see, it takes just a few seconds, but let me show you how you can delete it. So to delete the library, you go to Window, Extension Manager, and well, you can of course delete all of these one by one by clicking minus, but all you can do now in blocks 6.3 and later, you can actually go to packs, select this one library, click on minus, and click remove pack. And what it will do, it will delete all of the site templates, all of the blocks, and everything related to the library. So now if we reopen blocks and we click new, you will see that there is no minimalist library template. And also when we go to block bar, you will see there is no minimalist library there anymore. So that's how easy it is to delete the library. So to update the library, currently you actually need to delete it and install it. So when I release the minimalist library 3.1, you will have to delete the library and then install it first and install it again. That's not how I want it to work, and I wish it would be overriding. I mean, it will be overriding. So let me show you how it works. So if you install it like this, it will appear in packs right there. But if you install it once again, as you can see, I'm also dragging it on the blocks icon, which is also working. If it is the new file, this is the new version number, it will just create another pack there. And this is not how I want it to work, but this is how it works right now. So, well, right now you can't see it because it's the same version, but basically you will have more and more kind of entries here, the packs. and this will be kind of duplicating the pegs. All of the blocks, all of the site templates will be updated, will be overridden, but the pegs thing is not updating at the moment. This is something I requested for the developer of Blocks many times, and I'm waiting for him to implement this. But for now, what I recommend to do when updating, just select the library, click on minus icon, remove the peg, and this way you can then install it again, either by selecting it like this, clicking open, or dragging it on top of the blocks icon, or just opening it blocks, and it will install it like this, and you will have the latest library available on your computer. As for fonts, you can go to Font Manager from here or from Blocks Preferences, whatever works best for you. You can select Local and then plus icon, and then just navigate to the folder. This is the fonts I provided. Click open, and it will install all of the fonts available in this folder. So when it's done, that's it. Now you can start using the Minimalist library, and it will have all of the fonts, all of the settings I have prepared applied to it. But for now, let's actually delete this, create new project. I will show you. You can see now we have these fonts applied. So let's click template. We'll skip this for now. As you can see, we have the Merriweather applied by default. This is the Inter, but of course you can easily change that. I will show you in a separate video how easy it is to change. So that's how you install, update, delete, and well, set up your minimalist library. In a separate video, I will show you how you can use it to quickly create a project and well, develop your website.